I need to know what flywheel with ring gear would work on my Tecumseh HM100 10 horsepower engine so that I can add a 12-volt starter to my generator.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Tecumseh engine? How old is it?
Just last week. What does that have to do with my question?
How long has this been going on with your Tecumseh engine? What have you tried so far?
I am beginning to think this site is not worth the money I spend on it.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Do you have the full engine model number? HM100?
HM100 159409P.
Tecumseh 611093 flywheel with ring gear.
The flywheel on this generator does not have the ring gear, but the part hash is 61109. Thank you, that is the info I needed.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.